With its broad range of high-quality probes and accessories, the air velocity and IAQ measuring instrument Testo 440 is ideal for measuring indoor air quality. The practical tripod for positioning the probe, as well as clearly structured menu for norm-compliant turbulence level measurement, makes your job much easier. The CO2 probe is perfect for efficient monitoring of indoor air quality. In addition to the carbon dioxide measurement, it simultaneously measures temperature and humidity, and all this without any annoying cable clutter. An intuitive menu for long-term measurements is stored in the Testo 440 for recording IAQ parameters. Simply enter an individual interval and the desired period. Done. The results are stored in the instrument. Do you need to carry out measurements in places where Bluetooth isn't possible? No problem. Simply switch the probe head over from Bluetooth to the cable handle, and you're ready. If required, documentation on site is possible with the optional Bluetooth printer. In addition to this, measurement values can be transferred as a CSV file to a PC or laptop via the USB interface. Thanks to the intelligent calibration concept, only the probe head on the CO2 probe needs to be sent in for calibration. You can simply carry on using the instrument and the universal probe handle with another probe head. This lets you get more work done with less equipment.